I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my WOD Nation jump rope. So this is great if you're trying to add some cardio to your exercise routine in the new year. This jump rope is not your kid's jump rope. This is really designed for cardio, for working out. As long as you're able to do that, this is a great jump rope to add. And one of the cool things with a jump rope like this is that it's really easy to get that cardio workout in without having to have a lot of equipment or even necessarily a lot of space. So I'll take this in the garage, I'll take it on the back porch, and you can see it's really solidly built. It's got a metal kind of rope to it, and it's very thin. So you can move it pretty quickly, you can really get that jumping motion going. It's great for working on coordination and again, that cardio. You can cinch these down and change the length of the jump rope too. So you can see you've got this little adjustable, you can use an Allen wrench, little adjustable bolt, and you can actually shorten the length of these if you want to by moving that little clasp down in the rope. And that's really helpful because you can adjust this to your particular height so that you ensure this is exactly the right height for you to be jumping over. Now, it definitely holds up well over time. I've had it for over a year, and one of the best things about it is it's really easy to take with you if you're traveling, for example. And you just basically take this and you can wrap it up. Very compact there. Again, that thin kind of wire-length rope with this rubber coating. And then the whole thing just goes into this really convenient carrying bag, and you can take that with you wherever you're going. So again, really great tool to take with you if you're traveling because this is so compact. You can still do your workouts no matter where you are.